Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you some little fun games right in your system. So let's get started. Firstly, we are on search bar, type Minesweeper, click on Minesweeper. Here you will play Minesweeper online without download it. Next is Edge Surf. For this we are again into Microsoft Edge. Then type edge/surf and press enter. Here you will see you can play this game without download it. Next is Solitaire and other classic games. For this we are into search bar. Here we will type Solitaire, click on Solitaire. It is built-in games, no need to download. You can play different games on this. For example, this Spider, Free Call, Pyramid. You can also play these games. For this you need to sign in. You can select and play it easily. You need to have connected with internet connection. Simply you can play this, and that's it. In Windows 11 these fun little games might never have noticed, so the next time you will need a break, why not try them out? If you enjoy this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more hidden window tricks, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks for watching.